Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to explain you how we can use Git pull and push. As you know that push means you have your code into the local remote repo like in your Windows or Linux system that you are going to upload into the GitHub remote repository. Pull means you have the code inside your remote repo that you are going to download into your local system. So far we already discussed about push, but pull is also important part. So here we are going to understand both push and pull. Now why we need this? Because I am using multiple systems, I am working in a collaborative environment, I am working with my colleague who is actually reviewing my code. Now whenever I am going to write the code, I will push this code to the remote repo and my colleague is going to pull this code from the remote repo to get it inside the local system, and then he will review. And then he will add something over there, he will add code there, okay, and then again he will push this code and I will pull this. Okay, so this is how the collaboration works. To understand this environment, I have two machines.
In 2024, you should need to learn Docker. But why? To get the answer, join our free upcoming webinar. Link is in description. Book your seat now. Thank you.
As always, I am in the Windows machine. Okay, I am going to write code. I'm going to create one local repo over here. Then going to add remote repo, and then going to upload code, and then we are going to use the same code into the Linux system by pulling these codes. Okay, so first of all, I am going to this machine. Okay, now here I am going to create one directory, code 11. Okay, this is my directory. Going to code 11. This is not remote rep or not Git repo, so I am going to say git init. Okay, I am going to create one file, vi win file. Okay, here I am going to write this. This is my work WQ. Going to add this, git add win file, git commit, there's m, v1 and win file. Okay, so I have this. If I were to command git log and I have this commit. Now I want this into the remote GitHub repo. So I have this GitHub repo. Okay, I am going to add this repo over here. Git remote add origin and I am going to paste this. Right, then we have to push this. So good git push dash u origin master, right? We have master branch. So done, and I got my changes over here into this particular system. Okay, so let me refresh this. And we got this commit over here. Now if I want the same commit over here, I can get it in the Linux system. Okay, but I am not going to create any Git local repo over here, right? There is a way that you can create Git local repo and then you can pull this code, okay? But I'm going to use the easiest way that we have discussed earlier, okay? What I'm doing, I'm going to create Git clone. So I'm going to say Git clone, okay? Now I'm going to copy this URL. Okay, right now I am in the Linux system, guys, keep this in mind, okay, and I'm going to get same code here into this system. So let's say that ls, okay, and we have the repository name storage, so we have this storage folder, okay. Going to the storage and look at this, I got this win file. Even if I'm going to say cat win file, okay, this is my work, I have done. Now, I want to suggest this, right, so I'm on the Linux system. So what I'm doing, I'm going to say I'm going to say vi get vi win file. Okay. I'm going to add, okay, you need to change these files. Okay, here is detail. I'm just going to add this. Okay, I am using Linux system, right? So I'm just going to copy this. Done. I have made some changes, so I have to do like a git add win file. Okay. Now git commit this m. Here I am going to say version 2. Okay, win file. Here I got this. Okay, git log, but this version 2 is not over here, right? It is not over here. So what we will do, we are going to say git push origin, and we have master branch, so we want to update the master branch. You cannot update specific commit. If you want to do this, we will talk about this cherry pick, but right now we are going to upload all the commits. Okay. Now when I am going to enter this, it is asking me for the username and password. Okay, so let me go to this. This is my username. Okay, now password. As I explained you earlier, okay, you have to go to the settings. In order to get this password, you have to go to the developer settings. Okay, and you have this token. Last time I already explained you that copy this token and use it. Okay, because once you close this, you will not get this token. Luckily, I have this token saved in my system. If you don't have, you can delete this and you can create the new token here, from here, okay? So I have this, I'm going to use this and paste this. See, I'm going to copy this. It is in my local system, okay? Now I'm going to paste it over here. When you click right click, it will be pasted, not visible, but 100% done. And now it is done. Now how I can verify? You can go to this. Okay, here we have win file and here we have 2 commits. Okay, but if you go to my system, okay, I don't have this. Okay, I have only win file, and if I were to say git file, okay, this is my work. So here from this particular system, okay, we have pushed those changes, right? What I will do here, I will say git pull, okay, origin, and we have to say master, okay, done. And if I'm going to git log, see here I have now 2, and if I were to open this file, okay, get win file, this is my work, and you need to change this file. Here is a detail I am using. Now again, I can change this, I can push this code from here, and it will be in the remote git, and my friend is going to pull. Okay, so this is how you can push and pull your code. I hope you understand this. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.